Hello everyone and welcome back to another tutorial from Finance for Beginners. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can download and install the Cointiply application on your smartphone. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the iOS App Store or the Google Play Store depending on your device. Then after you open it up, tap on the search box and now you can type in Cointiply to begin your search. Once you find the Cointiply application, just tap on it and you will see the install button. Tap on the install button, which will then begin the download and installation of this application on your device. Just wait for a while until the process is completed. And once you see the open button, you can tap on it and this will open up the application on your device right away. You can now continue forward and create your new account or log into your existing one to start using the Cointiply application on your device right away. So there you have it. That is how easy it is to download and install the Cointiply application on your smartphone. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more useful tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching and I will see you again in the next one.